Subha ma'am, welcome to the webinar. We are now ready to begin. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Kunal. It's a great pleasure to be here. First of all, honor indeed, because this webinar especially, we are going to focus on building more leaders and enhancing the existing capabilities of the existing leaders, right? Whoever is already there in the leadership position, aspiring or the existing leaders. I always feel so elated whenever I get an opportunity to talk and then share the insights, the experience that I have gathered all these years with the young as well, the mature generation. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to interact with the new set of audience, right? So through you, thank you so much. First of all, I would like to appreciate you and your team, Webinar Stores team, for whatever you have started doing now, because online learning has been there in the industry for some time now, but it's going to be the future, the only future, in the coming days, right? So I truly appreciate, and then my best wishes for everything to go successfully for you as well, the collaborators, especially the audience, who are investing their time and effort and money. Definitely, this is going to take heights. My best wishes to you, and thanks to you one more time for introducing me in such a manner that I felt like, oh my God, have I done all these things all these years? That feeling, with that positive feeling, all the gratitude to everyone around me. Because of people, I am who I am today. So thank you so much. With your permission, I would like to take the webinar ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So as Kunal mentioned, we are going to create a career strategy for each one of you here as a leader in the VUCA world. We will get to know about all these terms going forward. So what exactly I'm going to cover today? First of all, we all are aware of what leadership means. But what is it, VUCA leadership? We will delve in depth there. We will be redefining what VUCA leadership is. Second, as a leader, to survive in this VUCA scenario, what are all the KPIs and KRAs? KPI is nothing but key performance indicators. It is more like a measurement tool through which you can assess your growth as a leader. KRA is nothing but key result areas. This is where you will be assessing how your performance, how your growth is taking you where. KPI and KRA, I'm sure you're all familiar with these terms. Otherwise, don't worry, please note it down in your notebook or whatever you may be having with you, because these terms are going to be helping you all to elevate your leadership skill going ahead. And then as a third step, we will also create a career growth strategy, roadmap, and then we will also explore what are the growth opportunities available right now, because we have seen a huge different wave for the past 1 year. Everything started last March in India, this pandemic, COVID, where we started working from home. There are many challenges we all have been facing. So what exactly is happening in the industry? That knowledge is very important. I'll be sharing certain insights over there. And then finally, we will be also discussing how can you position yourself as a leader, because end of the day, personal branding is very important for your growth, career growth. So I always connect personal branding and career growth together. So this is what we are going to discuss. This may not be in the same order. We may be discussing everything, but for the rest of one and a half hours.